we're trying to find the approximate, what was the percent increase, because sales went from 320 to 385. So this percent increase is going to be a positive number. The way you do a percent increase problem, it's always just find the difference between the two numbers. And I'm going to set it up as 385 minus 320 because I want it to be positive. And you always divide by the first number. So that would be 320. So 385 minus 320 is 65. Of course, bring over the 320. And 5 will go into both of those. 5 will go into 65, 13. And 5 will go into that 6 times, sorry. So that would be 64. Yeah, 6 and 5 is 30. 13 over 64. We have this key word approximately, and that means you can mess with your math. So let's change this. You can mess with your numbers to make your math easier. So let's change that 64 to a 65 because I know 13 times 5 is 65. So this will reduce down to 1/5. And 1/5 is 2/10, which is 0.2, and one of your answers is 20%.